Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Staying up to date with the latest developments in AI is crucial, regardless of whether you are an expert or just starting your journey in the field. One effective way to achieve this is by incorporating AI related research papers into your regular reading habit, and I am telling you from experience. By doing so, you will gain a deeper understanding of the current state of AI research, including breakthroughs, challenges, and emerging trends. Reading AI research papers offer numerous benefits. For one, it allows you to stay current with the latest advancements and discoveries, which is essential in a field that's rapidly evolving. You will also develop a more nuanced understanding of AI concepts, algorithms, and techniques, which can help you make more informed decisions in your projects or research endeavors. Also, engaging with research papers can foster critical thinking and analytical skills as you learn to evaluate the methodology, results, and conclusions presented in the papers. This in turn can help you become a more effective contributor to the AI community, whether as a researcher, practitioner, enthusiast, or even an AI YouTuber. One of the most popular sites for research paper, not only for AI or machine learning, but for the various other disciplines, is this archive. But if you have used it for quite some time, you would see that it is a bit harder to find the paper, especially if you are searching for something specific. Another website is Hugging Face Papers, which is quite a new entrant in this field, but already they have accumulated 50,000 papers and it is growing quite rapidly. Recently, they have made it easier to search any paper with the help of AI. I'm not sure which model they are using and which sort of tooling they are using behind the scene, but now you can search the papers semantically. All you need to do is to just give the idea which you want to search the paper for, and it is going to give you the list. Not only that, you can also search it by randomly. For example, if you go to Hugging Face website and to the papers section, and I will drop the link to it in video's description, just click on this dice and it has come up randomly with mechanistic interpretability, and you will see that now we have all the papers related to it, and there are heaps of them. And then you can narrow it down by searching more. So let me click again. So it is just like rolling the dice over. This is author. Not only you can search it with the idea, but also with the author and few other things. So for example, if I want to search all the papers on, maybe I'll say GRPO. So these are the ones, the relative policy optimization, the group relative policy optimization, which became famous with DeepSeek R1s. And then, for example, if you want to just search with RAG, there you go. So these are all the RAG ones. You want to go with DSRAG, there is no paper. And then so on and so forth. For example, I'll just say, okay, search me all the paper for R1. And look here, R1 was just released like a month ago, or maybe even somewhere around that, and already there are heaps of papers around it, and there are many more which you can find on arXiv. And if you compare the arXiv with this Hugging Face papers, arXiv is still much more, I would say, profound and deep when it comes to number of papers. This is quite an early site. I think one thing they could do better is to let us sort the papers with the date, so that we could see which papers are the latest and which ones are not, because there are few papers which are a bit older. So I would really want to see the latest papers in the research, because that matters a lot. But all in all, I think quite a good stuff, because if you just search semantically by sentences and phrases, that could even be better. So for example, if I could say um, something like latent diffusion, these are the latent diffusion ones. And then I'll just say, for example, um, reinforcement learning with human feedback. So it just gives you papers in the real time. And then if you want, you can even search it with the author, so I'll just cancel it from here. It's a bit slow too, by the way, as you can see here. So let's wait for it to come back. It gets stuck. I'll just cancel it. So for example, if I just want to say, okay, just give me paper for Elia. So these are all the authors with the Elia. Have I written any paper? No. Okay. So see, I think very valuable resource. I really like it. Make it quite easy to drill down to the papers. I will drop the link to it in video's description. Play around with it. Let me know. Also, please share in the comments what exactly you do, especially when it comes to research paper. Very keen to know. Also, towards the end, I would also like to give a huge shout out to our very good friends at AgentBot who are sponsoring this video. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.